Hello everyone. In today's tutorial video, we will be seeing how a team owner can do the bidding on his platform on his own. Basically, we are going to see how a team owner can do bidding for a specific player in the specific tournament. So we have already seen in our other tutorial videos how admin can do the bidding on behalf of all the team owners. But in this video, we are basically going to see how the team owners can do the bidding. So let's start. Basically, you need to click on join auction to go to the auction screen. Now here you have the option to place your bid. This is the common component which we are going to see everywhere wherever the bidding options are provided to the team owner. Currently set up for this tournament are the scenario where the bidding is going to increase by the fixed rules, so that basically the team at tournament organizer has defined that 0 to 1 crore increment would be by 5 lakh, 1 crore to 3 crore increment would be by 10 lakh, and 3 crore and above the increment would be by 50 lakhs, sorry, by 20 lakh. So this is how the scenario has been. Now currently we can see that Comic Wolves are the team which has bid for 65 lakh, and say I want to go for this player specifically and I want to increase the bid, I can just go on to bid and I can click 70 lakh and my bid would automatically increase. So let's start and bid for 70 lakh. The bid is now at 70 lakh. Now let's wait for if someone else is also interested in the same player, and we can now see that Lions has increased the bid by 75 lakh. I am still interested as the owner of Comic Tigers. I increased by 80 lakh. Lions increase that by 85. I go to 90. They go to 95. I go to 1 CR. They are still interested as I go to 1.1 CR. So this way bids will be increased. Now if I want to increase the bid, I have to increase by 10 lakh because that is the rule which is now currently being active. So I increase the bid by 1.2 CR, and now let's assume the Tigers Lions has moved out of the auction. They don't want to buy this player. Then we are at 1.2 CR. In cases where there are no rules defined, you would see multiple options to bid. Basically, these options could be like 10, 20 lakh, 50 lakhs, which are defined by the tournament organizer or the admin. And you would see all the options here itself. We already have a different tutorial video for that scenario as well. So you can check that out in case of your tournament is being managed in a free flow. So this is how the bidding would work for your team if you are doing it from your device, maybe a laptop or a mobile or a tablet. So hope you understood the video. If you have any questions or suggestion, do let us know in the comment section. Please like the video, subscribe to our channel for more such tutorials, and share it with your friends so that we as a community can grow together and all the sports fans can use the platform to hold their auctions in different sports. Hope you liked it. Thank you.